In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your online course on Gumroad, even if you're a beginner. This process may seem daunting at first, but you'll find it quite manageable as we break it down together step by step. First, start by navigating to Gumroad's website. Once you're there, you'll want to look at the top right corner of the screen and find the login button. If you already have an account, this step is straightforward, but if you're new to Gumroad, you'll need to create an account first. Assuming we are logging in, go ahead and click on Google and select your account to streamline the login process, and soon you'll find yourself on Gumroad's dashboard. Next, look to the left and click on Products, which will take you to a page displaying your existing offerings, if any, and more importantly, the option to create something new. Here, select New Product to start setting up your course. Now a window will pop up asking what type of product this is. Choose course or tutorial, as that's the category we are focusing on today. Once you've selected that, it's time to type in the name of your course. Choose something catchy yet descriptive to grab potential buyers' attention. You'll also need to set the price, so select the currency you prefer and input the amount you wish to charge. Keep in mind the value you're offering and your target audience's typical spending habits. With the basics out of the way, click on Next, Customize. This part is all about making your course appealing and informative. Start by adding a detailed description. This is your chance to engage potential students by highlighting what they will learn and how they will benefit from your course. Next, take advantage of the visual elements. Click on Upload images or videos to add a cover that represents the essence of your course. Following that, you can also upload a thumbnail. Thumbnails are crucial as they serve as the first image buyers see, so make sure it's high quality and eye-catching. As you continue, you'll want to add a summary. A concise and compelling summary can further persuade visitors to take the leap and purchase your course. Then, if there are additional details you want to provide, click on Add Detail. This can include anything from course duration to learning prerequisites. Once you've filled everything out, click Save and Continue. At this stage, you'll be able to either import your course content or type it directly into Gumroad. Review everything carefully, ensuring it looks exactly how you envisioned. Finally, with everything set up and looking great, click on Publish and Continue. Congratulations! Your online course is now live on Gumroad, ready to reach learners from around the world. By following these steps diligently, you're well on your way to successfully selling your content online. Remember, the key to success is a blend of great content, effective pricing, and striking visuals.